The particles are close together with low spacing. An example would be a binary.
For liquids, the particles are more spaced out, and an example would be water.
They are very spaced apart, and they can be very easily compressed. An example would be the oxygen you breathe in.
The relationship between pressure and volume is inverse, meaning that if volume were to increase, pressure would decrease. Pressure and volume would be taking a 2-liter bottle and an eyedropper. Place the eyedropper inside, and when you squeeze the sides of the bottle, the eyedropper will go down. As you stop pressing the sides, the eyedropper should go back up. This happens because by applying pressure to the sides, the volume of the bottle is reduced, meaning that the pressure increases in the bottle and in the eyedropper. This pressure results in the water going into the eyedropper, causing it to lose its buoyancy. The relationship between temperature and volume is direct, meaning that if the amount of temperature was tripled, it would result in the volume being tripled as well. To demonstrate the relationship between temperature and volume, we will be using 2 straws, water, and ticky tack. By placing the ticky tack on top of the straws, water will stay in the straws, and the amount. 1 straw will be placed in the freezer for 3 minutes, where it will be at a constant cold temperature. A decrease in volume as it froze. The new volume is less than the original volume, whereas the one that was in room temperature did not change at all. For the relationship between pressure and temperature, it is direct, meaning that if temperature increases or decreases, pressure will do the exact same thing. Would be the differences of air pressure in a water bottle that had been filled with hot water versus a water bottle that had been filled with cold water. The bottles were supposed to be put in the fridge. However, the difference in air pressure in the room versus the air pressure inside the bottle was great enough to force the bottle to be crushed. The reason why only 1 water bottle was crushed was because the water was at a higher temperature, which led to the faster rate of particles moving around and the faster rate of its collisions with the sides of the bottle. These faster collisions led to a higher pressure inside the bottle,